So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how can you kickstart your career as an SEO marketer, even if you're a fresher. So the major topic I'm going to cover is, first of all, why SEO marketing is the most demanded profile. Second, why SEO marketers are the demanded professionals. Third, what exactly you need to learn to become an SEO marketer. And fourth, how can you build an SEO marketing portfolio and sample work without any client. Yes, we are going to cover all of it. Alright, so let me quickly introduce myself. Well, I'm Prachi, as you know. And basically, I'm having 6 years of expertise in digital marketing. I have helped more than 500 brands as a freelance digital marketer, and I'm also a digital marketing coach, where I'm helping beginners like you to also concrete your freelancing career and enjoy the financial and location freedom. Well, so this is about me. Now let's get back into the topic on how to start your career as an SEO marketer. So first thing that I would like to mention here is, what is SEO marketing? So basically, SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is going to be a collection of procedure through which you are going to edit a website in a way that it ranks better on the search engine. Now, if you're wondering, Prachi, what is search engine? So in today's internet, whenever you are searching for anything, you're quickly going on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Safari. So these are the search engine. So whenever we search anything, as a result, we see a lot of websites ranking on the first page. It means SEO is basically the same procedure that we can implement in a client's website that will help them rank better on the search engine. But if you're wondering why any company wants to rank on the first page, what will be the importance of it? So let me cover here the second topic, why SEO marketers are the demanded professionals and what exactly are their roles and responsibilities. So as I just mentioned, that SEO marketer can help businesses' website to rank on the first page of Google or other search engine. Now the point is, what kind of benefit any website will receive if they are winning on the first page? First of all, they will get ample of traffic. And if you are smart, you know that more traffic is equals to more sales. And let's say if that brand was very small and unknown, but they ranked on the first page, so now their authenticity, their awareness will be boosted. Correct? That's the reason why any brand wants their website to rank on the first page, so that they can attract a lot of target audience, convert them into their customers and build their brand awareness. That's what they want. And being an SEO marketer, it is also going to be a crucial responsibility to optimize a website in a way, or in a simple language, editing a website in a way that algorithm of Google or Bing or Yahoo or Safari can understand your content even better and help you rank on those queries which are relevant to your product or services. But there's one more thing, why businesses approaches the SEO marketer, why can't they invest on another marketing channels like social media, or I would say the traditional marketing? So you know what, if a website is ranking on the first page of Google, it is going to be there for a longer run. It means for a larger time, this website can collect the traffic and gauge the visitors' attention. Second reason why SEO is beneficial for companies, because it is the cost-effective procedure. Now, any brand don't have to put so much of money in doing advertisements or go with the traditional marketing and invest so much of budget there, where they can actually do a cost cutting and hire an SEO marketer who can help them go viral organically on Google. And every company, day in, day out, through their product description, through their blogs, through their web pages, are doing these SEO practice to get found by their target customers. And that is also the reason why SEO marketers are demanded by the brands 365 days. It means it's not a seasonal skill. If you're choosing this as a career, you are going to get the client throughout the year. And not just saying, but exactly, SEO marketing is one of the highest profile inside digital marketing. Plus, SEO marketing is also a time effective procedure. It means if you're someone not having 6 to 7 hours of your availability on a single day to do a job, then definitely SEO can give you a lot of work from home, freelancing, and a side hustle opportunity that can actually give you a significant living and can help you pay your major bills and rent. Cool. So I hope now you're clear about why SEO is demanded, why businesses do SEO, and what will be your exact responsibility there. Now, coming back to the third point, what exactly you need to learn if you want to become an SEO marketer. So before I talk about what exactly you need to learn, let me talk about what exactly you don't need. So a lot of people have this kind of myth that search engine optimization is a profile where you must be having a coding knowledge. Dude, I've done engineering, but I don't know the C of coding, so don't worry about it. SEO is the most easiest skill. Even if you don't have any kind of coding knowledge, you will be able to offer your SEO services to the client. It's not a techie skill, but definitely it's a practical driven skill. If you're a person who would love to follow the step-by-step procedure and want to stick to the protocol, you love numbers, you love data, then SEO is going to be a very practical driven profile for you that you are going to enjoy. Awesome. So let's talk about what exactly you need to learn if you want to become an SEO marketer. There are 4 types of SEO that you need to focus on. On-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, and local SEO. Now, what is the difference between these 4 types of SEO and what will be your responsibility? Alright, so let me mention you in the most easiest language. What is on-page SEO? Basically, when you are publishing a website page, let's say it's a blog page, and you are trying to edit that page when you are publishing inside a website, it is known as on-page SEO. It means all the activity that you do inside a website is known as on-page SEO. Whereas off-page SEO is all the activity that you do outside a website to build its authority, traffic, ranking, popularity is known as off-page SEO. So in the same example, suppose you published that blog inside a website. Now you are going on third-party channels like guest blogging websites to promote it, or someone is also promoting your page in their website. That we also call it a backlink in the SEO terminology. And there are certain more activity that we do outside a website to boost its traffic, popularity and relevancy. That's what we call an off-page SEO. And third type of SEO is known as technical SEO. Well, it's a kind of collection of procedure where we directly try to tell the signals what my content, what my post is all about, and help the signals better to index and rank our website. And fourth is known as the local SEO. Let's say you're working for a restaurant in Hyderabad and for them you are trying to bring them the local traffic. It means through the Google My Business profile, through Google Maps, you're trying to bring them the traffic. It means you're trying this restaurant to get visible whenever someone in Hyderabad is searching for a restaurant near me or any kind of a specific keyword. So through the local SEO, we can help local brands, physical shops to get some traffic through Google My Business profile, through Google Maps and search it. Alright. Now if you're wondering, Prachi, these are a lot of things that I don't know about. Don't worry, they sound heavy, but these are very easy concepts that even a 12th pass student can learn and can offer this service to any client. Now, as we have a better clarity about what is SEO marketing, why it is demanded profile, what exactly you need to learn, now is the perfect time for me to deliver you how to make your SEO portfolio as a fresher without any client. But now if you're wondering, Prachi, how can I learn this skill, from where I can get all these knowledge? So don't worry about it. I have actually curated an SEO marketing course from a beginner to advanced level where you will be learning on-page, off-page, technical, local SEO, and that too with the most practical implementation. It is not a theoretical knowledge. Step by step along with the lectures, you can actually implement all the strategy that I have delivered in the modules practically. So if you want to know more details about it, you will be finding the course link in the description box. Anyway, now moving further towards the last topic of this video, which is how can you make your SEO marketing portfolio as a beginner without having any client. I know this is challenging because being a fresher, knocking to client's door and convincing them to give us the project is literally not easy. So basically we have to go prepared, and here I'm going to present you 3 ways how can you make your portfolio, your SEO marketing sample work with 0 client. Number 1 is you can use CMS website. These platforms are Wix or WordPress, where without investing a single money, you can make your own website using Wix or WordPress, which is just like using a Canva. Very simple. So I rather prefer you to go with the Wix if you're a completely beginner, and you'll find it fun working on. And when you are making your CMS like a Wix or WordPress website, then you can implement all those strategies right there. And my pro tip is, how about you make your own SEO marketing or digital marketing portfolio on these websites, practice the SEO, but simultaneously you're also making a digital portfolio. So the next time you're going to pitch any client, you can showcase this sample work to those people, especially if it is an SEO marketing project. If you want to take the example of some Wix website, how it looks and how can you make it without any coding knowledge, then you can also take a glance at my website that I created using Wix. So this is a perfect way. If you don't have a website, why can't we create one for us? and implement all the SEO skill right there. Correct? Now the second tip is going on LinkedIn and applying for the volunteer project. So simply just go to the jobs on LinkedIn, search for SEO. When you click on the job type filter, there will be a section called volunteer. Basically, these are the volunteer projects. These are actually posted by the NGOs where you can volunteer them doing SEO of their website. These are the very short-term projects. Sometimes they are unpaid, sometimes they are incentive-based. But how about, because this is your first time and you're getting chance to practically implement all your skills, so you should go for the volunteer project of 1 week or 2 weeks. Experiment all your learnings there, and they will in return give you the testimony and the certificate that you can use when you are pitching your next client. Alright, now moving to the third step is you can also offer a free trial service to someone in your family, friends or connection having a website. Help them optimize their website through your SEO expertise, and you can also include this in your portfolio. Yeah, this is really a great idea. So if you really follow this roadmap by learning this skill, making the sample work, I can guarantee within 45 days you're going to land your first client, and this is one of the most profitable, lucrative and demanded skill in today's market. So go for it, because if I can do it from different industry, having zero knowledge about SEO, and was successfully able to cater more than 500 brands, you can do it too, and maybe even better than me. Alright, so follow this. If you have any question related to SEO marketing career, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye.